Mighty coming at you with the pastor.
I'm going to Sam's. Time to go grocery shopping, baby.
The pastor just picked up his brand new Infinity. Check it out, check it out.
Yes. Q50 Red Sport, baby. 400 horsepower.
How much was it? Holy shit. And that is Stevie Boy right there in the charger.
25K. Easy. One scratch trade.
So what is the best thing that day trading has given you?
I would just say freedom to be able to travel, the freedom to be able to
Trading with Tim, new car as well. He just picked it up.
to go around the world and basically, you know, hang out, have fun, and still be able to, you know, work, although, you know, trading we won't really consider it work. It's so fun. Be able to sustain myself as a man, you know. The market has blessed us in so many ways. Guys, welcome to our Las Vegas mansion. As you can see, we just hopped out the whips. Time to give you guys a house tour. Marcelo.
If you're wondering how a day trader lives, this is how. Check it out. $1.7 million house. We actually have a 7-people team in which we day trade every day together. This is what day trading can afford to.
Check out our front lawn, baby. You know, I'm a man that loves greenery. I love the setting of the palm trees.
What?
Come on back and give them a look. Crazy, crazy.
Other thing that you probably noticed is this spicy merch. Everybody in the team right there in the name. And the logo right here. We also got the Relentless Trader merch.
Shout out to all of our students, man. They're the real MVP.
Repping you guys right here. Let's take a look inside.
So for those of you who don't know, we actually flew out one of our students. One of you guys who are watching flew out here and is now hanging out with us. Oh, look who it is.
What's up, baby?
Most recent MMU mentor, Tim. How you doing, bro?
Doing great, man. Back-to-back 6K days. Just breaking records, you know. As you can see here, turf lawn, beautiful 3-story house.
Let's go check the trading setup and let's go check the room.
Welcome in to the crib, baby. So, first we got a great area. Come on, let's take a look. Beautiful island. Chandelier looking pretty good. Got the sweet blue table. Relentless Trader merch, baby. Coming soon. Poker table. Crispy trays. The man, the myth, the legend himself.
The MMU student Will, also known as Spartan in the Discord.
You heard that? I was the first MMU student, got beyond lucky to win the raffle, and here we are.
Yeah, so this brings us to the kitchen. We got a few setups right here. We got an island. We just did some grocery shopping. It's a little messy, but we're packing it up. We're looking good. And of course, the man himself, Calamity, aka Drew.
Damn, he's cute.
This is my setup right here. The Nova Legion laptop, 2 portable monitors, and a MacBook Air.
There's beauty in simplicity, guys. So right here we have another dining area, living room space, and next we'll show you guys the beautiful backyard. The backyard is one of the highlights of this property. Let's take them to the back. Let's take them outside. This is the best part of this house, if you ask me. Let's take a look at this absolute view. We got a full-size pool, jacuzzi, chess action over here. Come on, let's show the people around. Guys, we're gonna do this again, and you know what? Next time we might just do 2 students. So,
Just because we recently moved to Las Vegas, we are very excited about this MMU member that was able to come and learn to trade with us. We want another lucky member to also come in our next trip. Okay, look upstairs. Everybody gets their own room. I'm just gonna show one room. This is how we roll. Pretty big sink in their room, because why not? Check out the bathrooms in these suites. Pretty sweet if you ask me, right? Very nice. There's a mic. Very nice indeed. And there's just 5 more bedrooms like this one upstairs, and there are 3 more downstairs.
yeah, put salt, whatever you want to put salt, whatever seasoning is there.
MX trading. not very good at pool.
MX trading. I feel bad, brother.
Fantastic. with MMU shirt with all the students in the back. Best student ever, Crispy Trades, Big Steve, Calamity. This is what goes down after the trading session. Depths indeed. Woo! So behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, baby.
Day trading with Relentless. Crispy Trades cooking.
Acer.
Spartan cooking. Calamity cooking. Trading with Tim cooking. Follow-us cooking. After day trading and catching some big losses in the market, you know that it's time to make it back. Make it back playing poker with the boys.
Get back to Timmy. Timmy, $1.
Was it just us?
No, yeah, but you always go back to the start.
Faster the wine guy. Day trader tastes wine. Entry number 1, scallop.
It's kind of like
It's going to be course number 2. Wellington, baby. A little bit of lobster. Check it out.
oh yeah.
Eating with day traders, baby. Course number 3. Gonna be a very sweet fudge.
Hell's Kitchen, easy 1K check, easy.
Pastor, what is the best thing about Vegas?
The women.
Crispy Folds, what is the best thing about Las Vegas?
6:30 market open.
What's the best thing about Las Vegas?
Nothing really, but the motivation of trying to make more money. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Traders for a Buzz. We finally have arrived. As you can see, this place is packed. Why?
Around you is thinking the same thing, and everyone has experience under their belt. That might be the type of trade you really want to start sizing up. So
Did you trade ticker symbol LIFW this past week? For example.
Wait, which one? LIFW?
Yeah.
Right now we're in the sphere. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the sphere. Best seats in the sphere. Got Crispy, Fred, Relentless, Calamity, Training with Tim, Savvy, and our favorite MMU student, Spartan. This is what you get when you become a profitable trader. Get green in the morning and then do fun stuff like this. Check it out. So what do we think about the sphere? Amazing technology, pretty average experience.
Rainbows on the bottom.
Dude, that's a sign, bro.
You gotta let it ride.
Let it ride. Let it ride.
Maybe.
Acer. Okay. Acer.
You're gonna win.
I'm pretty sure I think you stay.
I'll stay.
Oh
shit, good thing you stayed. Thank God you stayed, dude.
10,
12.
What's that?
20.
And this is why we don't gamble. We always lose. quick. Ready with teams, whip, baby.
Boom. That was.
Yep.
So that was like a $500 loss. $730.
I mean,
I was
Of a working pastor.
Uploading.
Repping the boy. Pastor looking fit.
Looking good.
What's your goal 2024?
Millions, baby. Infinity and beyond.